Do you know the benefits of rosemary? In today's video, you will find out why you should drink rosemary tea every day. Rosemary is an aromatic herb common in the Mediterranean. Because it is one of the most complete herbs in terms of health benefits, rosemary has become a frequent study subject for scientists. Also called the happiness herb, rosemary can be used in culinary, aromatherapy, and as a tea, which is the most common way of using this herb. Both its flavor and aroma are very pleasing. See the benefits of rosemary: anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. Rosemary is used both in the Chinese and Ayurvedic medicines. In Ayurveda, it is used to help preserve food since the heat in India makes bacteria proliferate faster, and rosemary helps contain the proliferation. Rosemary tea is also common to treat wounds and cuts thanks to its high antimicrobial power. Anti-cancer properties. Thanks to its antioxidants like rosmarinic acid, carnosic acid, and carnosol, rosemary can reduce the number of heterocyclic amines in some foods, which are toxic substances produced when food is cooked in high temperatures and that increase the risk of cancer. Did you know that? Adding rosemary to foods that need to be cooked in high temperatures, especially those grilled, can be a good strategy to reduce the production of toxic substances. Helps with diabetes control. In some studies done with animals, rosemary tea was able to maintain the blood sugar levels stable, helping treat diabetes. In these studies, the subjects ingested 6.75 ounces of rosemary tea 30 to 60 minutes before their main meals. Fights water retention. Rosemary tea is an excellent natural diuretic that can be used to prevent water retention. It increases urine production, which stimulates the body to eliminate more water and toxins and improves health. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Helps relax and reduces stress. Rosemary tea is a great relaxant. It contains substances that help reduce the levels of the stress hormone. According to proven studies, rosemary also helps with brain function, especially thanks to its antioxidant action, which seems to help during periods of stress, like school tests or important work meetings. Improves digestion. You can drink rosemary tea right after your main meals to help with digestion, since it helps empty the gallbladder. It makes digestion easier, especially after eating fatty and heavy foods, as the bile released by the gallbladder helps with fat digestion. Makes the hair prettier. In addition to all of this, rosemary tea, without sugar, can be used to wash the hair since it strengthens the hair, fights excessive oiliness, prevents dandruff, and facilitates hair growth by enhancing blood circulation in the scalp. It is highly recommended as a scalp toner, anti-dandruff, and hair loss prevention. To make rosemary tea, you need 0.1 to 0.14 ounces of dried rosemary leaves and 8.45 ounces of boiled water. Add the rosemary to the boiling water and let it rest from 5 to 10 minutes. Strain, wait until warm, and drink 3 to 4 times a day without sweetening. Contraindications for rosemary tea. Rosemary tea is considered safe. However, when consumed in excess, it may cause nausea and vomiting. It should not be consumed by children under 5 years old and pregnant or nursing women. Patients with liver or gallbladder diseases must also avoid this tea, as it increases gallbladder contractions, which may worsen the symptoms or even aggravate the disease. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.